I started a faceless YouTube channel in an evergreen YouTube niche. And in this video, I'm going to show you how and what I did to start this channel. So, in which niche am I starting my new YouTube channel? This evergreen niche is the personal development niche. The two best channels in this niche, Improvement Pill and Virtual SciPack. Improvement Pill's channel advises in English and shows the situation matching scene using his 2D animation skills. On the other hand, Virtual SciPack uses Hindi language, and for the scenes uses Blender to create a scene or virtual character. The main thing is that both of these channels highlight a main character who is going through the situation according to that of voiceover. Both channels have a simple vision, like sharing advice. So why am I telling you this? Because your channel must have a different identity. It also helps your channel stand out and grow faster than copying other channels' styles. After understanding what this niche is about, let's start or create our YT channel in this niche. So, what I'm going to do is copy topics or subtopics from these two ideal channels' videos. I'm going to find a video that has a huge number of views and has also been posted in the last month. Now that I've got my topics, I'm also going to copy their scripts and rewrite or edit them myself to make them legally mine. Now the script is ready. We need a voiceover. For voiceover, we need a calm and deep voice. So what I'm going to do is ask my friends or family members for this type of voiceover. But unfortunately, I don't have any friends or family members who have these voice qualities. So here AI comes in handy. There are many AI text-to-speech websites, but 11labs.io and flicky.ai are my favorites. You can find the direct link to these websites in this video's description. And here we have our voiceover ready. Now we need to edit the video. But before moving to step 4, I took a couple of hours to choose a theme and main characters. I took this time not to just make a video on this topic for the AI Whisper channel, but also to share actual results after trying hard. Now that I know what my theme and main characters are, we move to step 4. Now, for the video editing, we need some assets like images or videos according to the script to edit, right? We'll use pexels.com and Pixabay to download all the assets according to the script. Like in the script, if my character is supposed to be stressed out, I'll search for a stressed average stickman, etc. If you still can't find your main character's images as you please, go to leonardo.ai and explain who your character is, what he's doing, or anything. Just briefly explain it to him, and it'll give you the best results possible. I hope you all know how to arrange or edit things according to the script. If not, comment "Help me edit," and I'll make a separate video on this topic. Or you can use any other videos to learn basic video editing from YouTube, and you'll gradually improve after editing videos yourself. After editing, I calculated the time I took starting from searching for the topic to creating a video on that topic. If I can edit 2 videos each day, I'll post 1 video on the channel and save the other for the backup plan. So I don't get stressed out when I'm working on a video for the AI Whisper channel. So here are the results of the last 2 videos. Don't get too pumped because it won't surprise you at all. My first video got 27 views since I published it. It got this number of views only in 1 hour between 2 to 3 a.m. So I created my second video. Honestly, I took 6 to 7 hours to create this 11-second video. I was hoping to get better results on this one, but it didn't go as I expected. I uploaded this video 15 minutes before 2 a.m. as the gurus taught us. Now you won't believe how I got treated by the YouTube algorithm after paying tens of hours for a video. I got only 3 views on this video since I published it, but this doesn't mean that I won't get viral or any views at all. YouTube algorithm is still trying to recognize my videos by solving some questions like for which audience I'm creating these videos. What's the purpose of these videos or this channel? When I get recognized by the algorithm, it will be much easier to get views on YouTube. Now I can't wait to start a series on growing this channel from 0 to 1,000, so stay tuned and subscribe. It'll help me stay active on this platform. I hope you guys can understand my feelings as future YouTubers. Bye.